Mm-hmm. I turned it down quick. What's up? Welcome, guys. This is Brian again, Brian Neitch, coming to you live. It's the 9th of September. Excuse me, the 9th of February, 2022. Look, all of a sudden, what's his name? Joe Byron. What happens is we have some crazy things going on. Crazy things. There's a new thing that's happening in Washington. All of a sudden, everyone is starting to say, no longer are things needed. The mandates, the masks, nothing, right? You have to really think about, like, what's the deal? What changed? What changed? Look at this. Fauci says this. Fauci says, well, all of a sudden we're in full-blown pandemic phase. COVID-19 pandemic restrictions, here we go, could end soon, even as early as this year. The NIAID director Anthony Fauci told the Financial Times interview Tuesday. Very fishy. Look, and check this out. Watch this.
Do you agree with the move?
Zuckerberg gets fired, and suddenly CNN's top health expert goes on network and says, COVID restrictions should end.
I do. There was and is a time and place for pandemic restrictions, but when they were put in, it was always with the understanding that they would be removed as soon as we can. And in this case, circumstances have changed. Case counts are declining.
No, you mean Mark Zucker or Jeff Zuckerberg. Excuse me, Jeff Zucker. Don't quote me on that. Was fired and removed. Awesome. I wonder if someone was pushing an agenda at CNN.
Declining. Also, the science has changed.
The science has changed.
We know that vaccines protect very well against Omicron, which is the dominant variant. Everyone 5 and older have widespread access to vaccines. And we also know about one-way masking, the idea that even if other people around you are not wearing masks, if you wear a high-quality mask, that also protects you.
Come on, lady. Look at this comment right here. It's money. No, this isn't about Zucker. It's about the midterms. Well. There we go. I think this man, a Hank photo, has something in mind. You know, now that they're going to free everything up, the midterms are coming. Who are you going to vote for? You going to vote for these Democratic leaders who are locking you down? Right? Or are you going to vote for someone who wants you to be free?